Hey guys, my name is Sucharita. This is Film Companion. You're watching Not a Movie Review, and right now I'm not going to be reviewing A Flying Jut. A boy lives with his widowed mother in a small town somewhere in Punjab, I'm assuming. A 200-year-old sacred tree stands just outside their establishment, which bad guy Malhotra wants to cut down because it stops his trucks from carrying stuff to factories, but mummy won't let them. One night, boy, while getting beaten up under said tree, gains superpowers because the villain presses him too close to the tree trunk, and then there's lightning and a flying jut is born. The rest, as they say, is history. For real, I wish this was history and my ancestors had seen this film. Just anyone but me. ये पिक्चर नहीं है भाई, ये छोटा भीम का एपिसोड है एक्सटेंडेड. Don't फैलाओ प्रदूषण being the moral of the story. The super villain, Raka, which is also such a Chacha Chaudhary name. He breeds on pollution and the only thing that can kill him is cleanliness. Peड़ लगाओ, दुनिया बचाओ being the clear message. But no. Don't you dare tell me ये बच्चों की फिल्म है सुचारिता. Let it be. No. Lion King was बच्चों की film. The Good Dinosaur was बच्चों की film, and yet none of them made me look around the theater in exasperation. And सच्ची में a movie जिसकी highlight है beat पे booty, that's a बच्चों की film, yeah. X-Men Days of Future Past देखिए. What a film. The breakout character from that movie was Quicksilver, right? Especially that scene where he runs so fast that everything seems to slow down around him. There's a slow romantic ballad in the background while Quicksilver runs around rearranging the entire scenery, moving bullets, replacing guns with bread, tasting food that's spilling over.
I would spend them with you, but there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them.
Remember? अरे नहीं देखा? कोई नहीं, Flying Jut में देख लेना. Shot by shot. Not kidding. Jacqueline Fernandez, who's literally everywhere right now, so pretty, so talented, what a great dancer. What the hell is she made to do in this film? I kid you not, at one point she's talking to Aman, the martial arts teacher, and says, I like karate. It's like, hiya! She believes music cures broken bones and that the Flying Jut is in love with Shakti Kapoor's daughter. Yeah, Shraddha Kapoor has a cameo, but never mind. Amrita Singh is clearly the most talented of this entire star cast, and ho bhi kyun na, she comes with the most acting experience. Playing Tiger's mother, when she realizes her son has superpowers, unki khushi ka koi ठिकाना ही नहीं रहता है जी, and she goes all guns blazing trying to figure out exactly what all superpowers he has and how to get him to use them. She's watching DVDs, throwing her son off rooftops to get him to fly, and also asking him to bring 2 kilo Loki on his way back from saving the world. It's funny because it's supposed to be silly. Hi, uska superhero mere superhero se strong kaise ho? Tiger Shroff though, very earnest, very endearing. But there's only that much one can marvel at your martial arts skills and dance moves. And it's not for the lack of trying. He genuinely tries his level best to be funny here, but comic timing is so off. Dialogue delivery is so... I'm sorry, Tiger. Jesus, I don't know what just happened. Sorry, Flying Jut. Take 2. Tiger Shroff's comedy. He genuinely tries to be funny here, but comic timing is so off, dialogue delivery so monotonous, that 5 minutes into the film and I was back to admiring his 8-pack abs. Also, he does a baby doll mein sone di bit, but never mind. Nathan Jones, बड़े मतलब Australian celebrity हैं. He's 7 feet tall, screams and evil laughs a lot, feeds on pollution and KK Menon's insecurities. And oh, hello, he was in Mad Max. He played Rictus Erectus, Immortan Joe's son. Check it out.
She thinks she can lose us, Dad. She thinks we're stupid. She thinks she can lose us in the air.
क्या हो गया Nathan? Mad Max से Flying Jut कैसे आ गए? Aside from Amrita Singh, the other actor who deserves a shout out is Gaurav Pandey. He plays Rohit, the best friend, and his bits are actually the funniest scenes in the movie. इनको promotion मिलनी चाहिए थी और मिलॉर्ड, ये गलत बात है. अच्छा एक तो ना आजकल ये पिक्चर के स्टार्ट एंड एंड में मन घड़ंत कोट्स डालने का ट्रेंड क्या है। सरबजीत में उमंग कुमार, सुल्तान में वेल सुल्तान बिकॉज भाई, एंड हियर द मूवी एंड्स विद एवरीथिंग इज रिप्लेसेबल एक्सेप्ट मदर अर्थ, रेमो डिसूजा। Replace my brain with no memories of this movie, please. On a scale of 1 to 10, Flying Jatt is 100% successful in driving home the fact that, hey kids, pollution is bad, keep this world clean, nahi to raka aa jayega. So, that's that. Pahlaj Nehlani said, this movie will break box office records and reminds him of Jai Santoshima. A guy next to me in the theater said, मुलुंड के निर्मल लाइफस्टाइल में शूट किया है वे। ऐसे सब्सक्राइब कर लो, मैं सारी फिल्में आपके लिए देखती हूँ।